Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to change your password on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Scroll down and click on the More icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will lead you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your account. Next, click on your account to access the specific settings related to your profile. Now, locate and click on Change Your Password. This is where you'll be able to update your password securely. You'll see 3 fields on this page. In the first field, enter your current password. This step is necessary to confirm your identity. Next, move on to the second field and type in your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Then, re-enter the new password in the third field to confirm it matches. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. Your password has been successfully updated. Remember, keeping your password secure and changing it regularly is an important step in protecting your account from unauthorized access. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.